participation. Further, we will leverage technology and including adherence to ISO 9001/2015 standards to enhance efficiency in regulating plastic waste management and monitoring compliance. Waziri, by embedding plastic pollution control within our institutional and national planning instrument, the Kenyan government, under the able leadership of His Excellency, the President, is demonstrating environmental leadership in the region and beyond. Our compliance and enforcement efforts have yielded significant progress. The ban on single-use plastics bags in the year 2017 was a landmark achievement, demonstrating Kenya's resolve in tackling plastic waste. With stringent penalties, including fines, sometimes as big as 4 million and above, and the imprisonment, we have seen an 80% reduction in plastic bag usage, protecting our environment and also our wildlife. NEMA has intensified inspections, surveillance, and sought penalties and therefore we are now focused on ensuring full compliance with the newly enacted Sustainable Waste Management, the popularly referred to as Extended Producer Responsibility Regulations of 2024, which require producers to take responsibility for the entire life cycle of their plastic bags. Additionally, the National Environment Management Coordination regulations that are dealing with management and control of plastic packaging materials, regulations 2024, have provided a robust framework for reducing plastic pollution, ensuring circular economy, and promoting eco-friendly alternatives. Going forward, Waziri, our key focus will be mainly on support for low emission, taking action and monitoring on ecosystem restoration, enhancing soil conservation, and monitoring pollution. I call upon all the residents of this country, through the community-based organizations and schools and every other Kenyan at large, to actively participate in environmental conservation. I also encourage them to report environmental violations to NEMA, join us in cleanup activities, and support recycling initiatives like we have done today. Collective action is the key to achieving a cleaner and greener Kenya. Together, we can make Kenya a global leader in environmental stewardship. Let us all commit to reduce plastic waste, supporting recycling and advancing to protect our environment for current and future generations. This is our only opportunity on the legacy we will leave behind. We will allow, whether we will allow plastic pollution to define our era, or we will rise to the challenge and create a cleaner, healthy planet for future generations. The choice is ours. So let us today and not tomorrow, together with clear strategies, effective implementation, and strong partnerships, build a sustainable future and eliminate pollution. With those very many words, I want to thank all of you and also take this opportunity now to invite our environment friend, Madam Charin, the CEO and founder of SMARCS, to give her remarks. Madam Charin.
Thank you, Chair. Jambo, thank you so much for being the hosts of this year's World Environment Day. and allow me to stand on the already established protocol and thank our mentors and leaders and all distinguished guests. Over the past couple of years, God has given me a humbling privilege of working with young people. Week after week, I meet them. This week, on Tuesday, we were with Madam CS Deborah Barasa, launching the tree nursery at my father's former high school.